Mac.
This is an example of the majority of what the keys are on there, like this size right here. And what you have underneath is this plastic scissor hinge that's attached to the key underneath. So what you're actually doing is you're separating this hinge from that key when you actually slide the tool underneath. So let me see if I can give you a side view of this. You can kind of see that right there, how it drops right there. So what you're actually doing when you're separating the two is you're taking this tool and you're sticking it inside this little fold right here. And then when you press in, that snaps that right off. So that's why it's important to go in on the actual sides of it and to think that that fold will be somewhat centered in that key. So if you slide your toothpick, paper clip, or whatever it might be, think that you need to remain in the center of this key. To remove your O key, put your spudger or toothpick or whatever you're using, just lift this up just enough, just a little bit. And then what we're going to do is we're going to slide a key, or slide something in between the key and the plastic bracket underneath it. So just want to barely put it underneath like that. And you can remove that. And as we slide this across to separate the key from the plastic bracket, you'll want to put your finger on the upper edge here. As we slide across, your key should come right off. And then to remove the bracket, just take whatever you're using, put it just up in the front there. I'm just going to snap that off. You're going to do the same thing to the other side. And there you have removed the plastic bracket. Now to put the plastic bracket back in, start with the bottom side and just drop it in like that. You'll kind of hear it click. Drop it in. Then you just take your finger and push on the top, and you should hear it kind of snap. And just to test to make sure that the bracket's in, you can just take whatever you're using and just make sure the hinge works. Then you're going to take your key, in this case the O key, and we're just going to set it on top there. And we're just going to press down until we hear it click. And you've replaced your O key.
Mac.
And keys.